Listen for me in a violin. Listen for me when the knife is turning. Listen for me when the world is burning. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a crowded street. Listen for me in a winning streak. Listen for me when you're at your peak. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a child's power. Listen for me in a golden hour. Listen for me when you're on your own. Listen for me when you're far from home.
And just like that, it's Tuesday again and time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I love the motivation and the inspiration that I get from the Tiny Tidy playlist. Tiny Tidies are put together each and every week by my sweet friend Sunday Dawn here on YouTube. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below, and I hope that you guys will check it out. I am sitting in the most random place to film this. I needed a private space and that was just hard to find today. And I can still hear Lily's little paws in the background. So if you hear if you hear paws, it's her. She's in here, but she's being quiet. So I made a video on a Sunday, and in that video I did my laundry room reveal. And I showed you guys what my laundry room looked like pre-renovation and after my renovations. So I do not have a lot of time today. I'm actually in between appointments. I do have a load of laundry going, and I thought that I would take you guys with me to tidy up in my laundry room. I need to wipe out the cubbies, and I need to just so much for the privacy. I need to wipe down the cubbies in there, wipe out the cubbies in there. I need to just wipe the cabinets down, wipe the washer and dryer down because it has the washer and dryer in there, so it's very prone to get lint. And then I have a load of laundry to fold, and that's it. And then I'm going to be ready to go to my appointment. Do you want to say hello? You don't like it when I talk to my friends, do you? So I just hope today to motivate and inspire you guys with whatever you are doing around your home. You can tiny tidy along with me, or you can just watch for motivation, whatever you want to do. So let's go in the laundry room and let's do some tidying. You ready to tidy, Lily? You gonna help me tidy?
Listen for me when you can't go on. Babe, would you listen for me? 틈새를 채울 순 있을까? I don't know what to do. We've already spent too much time. 우린 이미 너무 먼 길을 너에게로부터 가장 먼 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지 않게 Far away Far away 한참을 헤매고 찾아왔던 네가 그렇게 반가울 수 있었을까? I don't know what to do. I can't wait for you anymore. 이제 내게 남은 인사를 건네줄게. 너에게로부터 가장 먼 곳 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지 않게 Far away Far 정처없이 흘러갈 너를 두고 가난한 내 맘 서둘러서 손끝에 날 닿으려 해를 쓰던 나야 마지막에서 어떤 말로 널 담을 수 있을까?
Something I feel like I do not bring enough awareness to on my channel is the fact that sometimes I know it looks like I am tidying up an already clean space, and that is just kind of the stage of life I am. But there are two reasons for this. The first reason that it sometimes seems like I'm cleaning clean on clean is because that is just what is inside me. I've always been that way as long as I can remember. I've liked everything nice and tidy. And I remember learning a long time ago when I was a kid and I would pour all of my toys out. It was so much easier to put them back up as I would go and play with them, opposed to letting it all get out of control. So that is why, like, I set aside a day to take like 30 minutes and deep clean my laundry room instead of letting it get out of control and having to take a couple of hours. But the second reason that I do clean, tidy, organize, declutter a lot is because when I got the virus in 2020 and my heart started failing me, it really put me into a state of sadness and panic and depression. And there were days that I literally could not leave the bed because I was too afraid to leave the bed. And doing things like cleaning up and tidying up, it helped me. So I have a choice each day, and my choice is to make the most of this extra second chance that I got, or to hide away and be fearful. And I choose to get up, tidy up, even spaces that already appear to be clean. Sometimes I wonder why I was given a second chance, but I was given a second chance with life, and I want to live each day to the fullest.
every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. Throw it all at me. The spoiled kid, the golden child. We both know who is right, through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain, the late night deliberations. You know I'd do it all again. Yeah, I do it all again. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. Oh, we push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again.
Is smiling so bright. Everyone snuggled so tight. The day is done, and soon you'll see the sun. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. You're safe in your bed. Let go of your thoughts and just rest your head. You've had a big day, and in the morning you'll start again. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your favorite things. Your favorite things. The birds are nestled in the trees, staying warm while the wind blows the leaves. Tomorrow they'll fly through the clouds in the sky. But tonight the moon is smiling so bright. May you sleep soft and sweet. May you sleep so peacefully. May you dream of all your...
I hope that you guys found this video motivating or inspiring in some way. Let me know in the comments if you tidied anything along with me, and remember to check out the Helpful Home and today's Tiny Tidy playlist. I know that they would love all of your support. And if you are new to my channel, I know this is the end, but I will introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel centered around homemaking, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. It is completely free to subscribe. All you have to do is click on that button and make sure that your notifications are turned on. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 2 o'clock. That's what I'm trying. That's what I'm aiming for. I was only doing Tuesdays for a while. For a while, I was not putting out any videos because we were doing renovations. But last week I made it Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So I'm hoping for the same thing this week. But every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And again, it's completely free. And just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Your favorite things.